In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to Teams easily. As we dive into this tutorial, we'll make sure everything is clear and simple, ensuring you can seamlessly transition your documents to Teams without a hitch. So, let's get started. First, let's head over to your OneDrive, where your files are currently stored. Log in by visiting onedrive.live.com and entering your credentials, if prompted. Once you're in, you'll see an overview of all your files and folders. Now, take a moment to locate the specific file or files you want to move to Microsoft Teams. It's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct ones, just to make sure everything goes smoothly. Now that we've identified the files, you're going to download them to your computer. Simply right-click on the file and select Download. If you're moving multiple files, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each file to select them all, then right-click one of the highlighted files, and choose Download. They will be compressed into a single zip file if you're downloading more than one item at once, and in this case, we'll need to extract them. Locate the zip file in your Downloads folder, and right-click to choose Extract All. Follow the prompts, and you'll see a new folder with your extracted files. Next, let's open Microsoft Teams. After logging in, navigate to the specific team and channel where you want these files to reside. Once you're inside the channel, you'll notice a Files tab at the top of the screen. Click on that. This is where you're going to upload your files. Within this Files section, look for the Upload button. This allows you to either drag and drop your files into the designated space or click Upload to browse your computer. For those extracted files, it's easiest to find them in the location you saved them and simply drag them over into Teams. If you're browsing, select the files from their folder and confirm the upload. Now, take a minute to ensure everything has uploaded correctly. You can do this by checking that each file appears in the list within the Teams Files tab. If anything seems off, you might want to repeat the upload step just to be certain. And there you have it, your files have moved from OneDrive to Teams. This straightforward method allows you to share and collaborate within your team effortlessly, enhancing productivity and communication throughout your organization. Before we finish, remember to keep your files organized in Teams by creating folders if necessary, which can help everyone find what they need quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on leveraging Microsoft's tools to stay productive and efficient.